Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into Apple. Com and verify your Apple ID and password and enable two-factor authentication if prompted. Backup critical iCloud data, photos, contacts, and device backups so nothing is lost after leaving. Make note of family shared subscriptions, purchases, and the shared iCloud storage plan because once you leave, access may change. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone or System Preferences on Mac to begin. Now continue by opening Settings and tapping your name, then Family Sharing. On Mac, go to System Preferences Family. Select your personal entry or the Leave Family option directly. On some accounts, choose Manage Family, then Leave. Confirm that you want to leave. The system will notify the family organizer. Make sure you review and cancel or transfer any subscriptions and download content tied to the family plan, because once removed, you may lose access to shared storage and subscriptions. To finish, verify your Apple ID settings, update your payment method, and confirm you have adequate iCloud storage for your own needs. Sign out and then sign back in on each device to force iCloud to sync your new access rights and reassign purchases. If something goes wrong, like missing purchases or storage errors, first contact the family organizer to confirm removal, then contact Apple support with the exact error message. If needed, restore from your backup to recover lost data and reconfigure subscriptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.